Hey there, welcome back to Realistis, your space for creative innovators that helps you bring stories to life. Today, I'm showing you how to run GitHub Copilot chat on VS Codium version 1.99. That's the open source fork of VS Code without Microsoft's telemetry. Yep, no Windows, no VS Code. Just clean creative coding on Linux. Notably, the GitHub Copilot is not foundable in the extensions, but don't worry, I got you. Direct download links from Microsoft Marketplace are in the description. Once you have the .v6 files, head back to VS Codium. Click the three dots in the Extensions tab. Choose Install from VSX. Install the Copilot extension first, then Copilot Chat. Boom! You'll see the Copilot icon in the bottom corner. You have to log in your GitHub account, restart VS Codium, and it should say Status Ready. From here, you can open the Copilot chat sidebar and start jamming with AI. No cap. If you're an artist, filmmaker, coder, or curious soul, hit that subscribe button and start vibe coding all you want. Thanks for watching. Have fun making things. See you soon on Realistis channel.